Guys, today I'm jumping into Prime Link for you. Yes, it shortens URLs. Yes, it has CTA obvious. It has so many features, but today I'm specifically going to be showing you how to make a custom splash on the dashboard. So let's get straight into this, guys. Please stay tuned to the end of the video because once you hit that link, I've got a coupon code for you to save some money. So let's get straight in. So guys, I'm going to dive into this and show you the custom splash, like I said, but first I want to just show you how cool just the URL link shortener is. Now guys, I would pay for this if it was just for the shortener, all right? It's real easy, guys. You just type in the longest URL or whatever your website address is. If it's super long, you put it in there, say, I'm not a robot, and click shorten. That easy. And you get this beautiful, beautiful link with the QR code. So now I've shown you that, okay, because it just fascinates me every time. Let's get in there and see how you do a custom splash. So on the dashboard, guys, all right, you've got dashboard, QR code, statistic, links, archived, expired, and custom splash. Obviously, we want to go to the custom splash section. Now, it says I've not created one, so let's get started, all right? You can either click it here, but once you have some here, you'll have to click on the right-hand side because it'll be full. Now you're gonna name your promo, so let's name it house cover, okay? Counter you want to put as whatever you want, so I'm gonna put 13, all right? Link to my product, www.myproductisbetter.yours.com. Okay, now to give a discount or whatever it is, okay, put it in the amount that you want. Okay, I'm gonna use dollars, so I'm gonna put receive a, let's go with $20 discount, okay? Because if you didn't know, to get this, I'm gonna show you at the end, there's actually a discount we can give you. So it fits quite well, so please stay tuned. Okay, if you wanna upload a picture, please upload a picture. I'm not going to right now, and an avatar, okay? You can get a custom message, so thank you for getting involved. This could be anything you want, guys, all right? Here is your discounted service. So now I'm gonna upload a picture, okay? I'm gonna blur it so you don't see what's on my computer. So I've uploaded a picture now, and you wanna click create, okay? Once this is in, guys, it starts to create. It is really clever how Prime Link does this. And like I said, this is one of the features, okay? Just one of many that are blowing apart, all right? This is literally blowing up online so much. I'm getting asked every single day from different people, how'd you get involved? Can you do me a video? Can you tell me how to do this? Can you do that? It's ridiculous, guys, all right? This Prime Link, if you're using Linktree, Bitly, Shortly.io, anything like that, you're crazy because this is affordable, it's got all the features, and it's so user-friendly. So guys, once you've done that, okay, that's exactly how you make your custom splash. Super, super easy. Now, to get involved with this, you can try that for free, all right, and have 50 short links, 300 a month, and data retention of 7 days, or you can get straight in with a lifetime basic where you're getting 1,500 link clicks and 15,000. Okay, now guys, if you're like me and you know for a fact that you're gonna use this, you know it's great, the value's there, you're gonna get the lifetime pro for $99 where you get unlimited everything and it's completely refreshed every 360 days. Everything I spoke about, you're not restricted. But even better, like I said, we have beautiful discounted code for you. So let me show you, after I put these details in, how to get it. Once you hit purchase, okay, for the $99, you're gonna apply the promo code of TDP20. That's T for top, D for digital, P for product, 20. Apply it. It's going to give you a 20% discount of $19.80. Guys, that's incredible. It's a one-time payment of $79.20. How incredible is that with that link down below? There you go, guys. Make sure you're hitting that link down below and using TDP20 to get that 20% off. Do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.